Hello dear traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover gold market. I will speak about the USD versus Japanese yen and about the British pound versus US dollar. So I will start with the gold market first. So what I found basically watching this hourly time frame on the gold, I projected a pitchfork channel because I think that we might see some downside move. We broke some upside trend line, the most recent upside trend line. And there was some downside breakout that happened in the last hour. From my perspective, as long as the price can stay below 1,804, there is a more chance for a downside break and potential for the price to move towards the middle pitchfork line, which is this middle line here. The objective will be around 1783. So I will actually take text here, just write ML, which is a middle line. So based on this action here, this sell-off and this rally, if this high will remain today and we don't take that high, then potentially the ML can be a good objective for the sell-off. So I will focus on the downside opportunities, and as long as the price can stay below 1,804. We also, I must inform you that we do have ECB press conference today, and we got monetary policy statement. So it will be quite volatile from my perspective, and especially from the like euro dollar, pound dollar, they can really have a bigger volatility during the very important event today. So adjust your risk properly because we'll have a potential big spike in volatility that can also affect in the gold as well. Now, speaking of the British pound versus US dollar, we got some price. If I go 30 minutes, so price failed to test the middle line, and price basically closed below this upside pitchfork challenge mode. From my perspective, as long as the price is again staying above this last spike pin bar high, so as long as the price can stay below 1.3775, the odds are that we can still trade more lower. Now this is a first early sign that we're shifting in the downside momentum because we're close below this channel line. The final confirmation will be the price will break this trend line here and eventually even confirm a further, maybe bigger drop in the downside. So for now, this is an early sign, like the first signal, the first early signal, because we broke this channeling mode. The major confirmation will be if we can break this trend line. And so watch for some downside opportunities, and this area of support is 1.3710. And I'll speak about the USD Japanese yen, because I think that as long the low at 113.38 can hold, there is a chance for the price to go upside and eventually find the middle line. So we're building the higher lows here, but I would not like the price to take that 113.39. As long as the price is above, I give more odds for the price to go upside the next period towards the middle pitchfork line. At the current stage, mid pitchfork line is all the way at 100. Right now is about 114.10. But there's a plenty of potential in the next period that we can repeat some move like this, which was like 92 pips, and project from this low, like 92 pips here. So maybe watch for some buying opportunities there, as long as we stay above this level here. We also got areas of the previous swing highs to also watch, like 113.85. It's also the first area of the cluster of resistances right there. So that'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Again, ECB is around the corner, ECB press conference. So adjust your risk carefully, and that'll be all for today. Have a good day, and see you all tomorrow morning.